to my channel. This is my March bullet journal video, and since I found a lot of my inspiration from Pinterest, I decided to link all my inspiration in the description box so you can make one similar if you like it. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'd just like to apologize that the camera was not focused on this scene. I think mood trackers are very useful, and I love looking back on how I was during the month. So this memory page is basically where I paste anything from the Texas State newspaper or just write down any memories for the month. I love the idea. Yay!